Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mylene Palema Sumalyo. I am 31 years old. I am married and blessed with 2 children, ages 9 and 10 years old. I live in Carolina, Canabet, Eastern Samar, Philippines. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I finished my education at Danao National High School in Romblon. I have experience working as a nanny in Manila for 3 years, and I have served for members of the family, including 2 children, ages 3 and 4 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids, preparing and cooking meals, doing the laundry, ironing, grocery shoppings, and helping with the homework, and playing with the child, and many more. I am patient, kind, responsible, and hardworking. I love children and I treat them with care and respect. I am always willing to learn and improve. I am honest, trustworthy, and flexible. I can follow rules, manage my time well, and work independently. I will respect your family culture and household rules. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and for my kids' future. Thank you, Ma'am, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, Ma'am.